Users can now machine the entirety of the steep areas of their parts, including any undercut regions, when using a steep and shallow toolpath. This improvement will save you plenty of programming and machining time, as it will minimize the number of setups needed for your finishing operations. Let's look into this in more detail. Looking at the part on my screen, you can see that if I run the Accessibility Analysis tool, there are areas that I would not be able to reach with a straight-sided tool in a 3-axis configuration. In this video, we'll see how to tackle this issue assuming my machine has 5-axis capabilities. In the Tool tab, I'm going to select a 6mm ball nose. Then choose a shaft and holder mode, ideally pull away or trimmed in this case. In the Geometry tab, when selecting the machining boundary, I need to make sure that the selected chain includes all the areas I aim to machine with the chosen toolpath. I can then move on to the Passes tab. Here I need to remember to set my threshold angle to 0 degrees, as this will make the Machine Undercuts checkbox appear. Finally, in the Tool Axis tab, I can choose my primary tool axis mode, from point in this case, and select my guiding point. Please note that you will need to sketch your guiding points or curves in the design workspace. If I now simulate this toolpath, you can see that my tool machines all the steep areas within the chosen region, including any undercut areas. Hopefully this video is a good starting point for you to understand how to use this new functionality.